Hello guys, so today is my husband birthday and then mamaya is mag-decorate ako. Decoration lang, walang handa. Then nag-order lang ako ng cake, deliver mamaya at 3 to 5 and then for dinner lang. And then trabaho siya, din wala siya sa mood. So birthday niya, pero wala siya sa mood dahil papasok siya. May trabaho siya. So dito lang kami, kaka-drop off lang namin ni Ethan and then nag-drop by kami dito sa unsa ba ni siya? Kanang Tomasino door and window. Tomasino. So yeah, dito siya mag-order ng mga kailangan or materials na kailangan nila. So, see you later guys. Mag-decorate tayo later. Aday. Okay, tika na nabili ni Mr. doon. Oh my goodness. In the middle of the road. Oh, shit. Hopefully hindi madaanan ba? Ay. Hopefully hindi madaanan dahil baka mabali. Ayan Takot kasi din dahil ang lakas kusog magpadagan ni sila. Yan. Hopefully mo stop. Oh, good thing. Thank you, boss. Kaluoy taon. Ay, kawawa naman tong mister ko. Basta hindi siya help, no? Oh, na-traffic, kaluoy. Okay, nalumping nalumping. So hello guys, mag-decorate na tayo. Nasaan ba yun? Ito pala. Mag-decorate na ako guys, baka dumating, hindi naman siya sumunod sa akin. So baka dumating si Mr. and then maaga na siya ngayon. Uuwi. So yun nga yung nangyari kanina, nahulog yung kanyang materials na in-order. Masaka muna natin ito yun, kay malikot. So yeah, nahulog siya dahil sa sobrang taas niya sa likod ng aming sasakyan. So yeah, yun yung nangyari. So, naputol talaga siya guys, dahil mataas pala yun. Naputol. So buti na lang, i-adjust nila or i-kilip ba. So, ito yung ino-order ko sa Walmart kasi mabilis lang yung pagdating. And then, ito kasi ay hinintay ko lang kasi yung sahod ko din sa YouTube natin. And then, kaya sa Walmart na ako nag-order dahil hindi na talaga aabot pag sa Shein. Mura lang sana sa Shein pero wala na tayong magawa. Hindi na siya aabot sa birthday. So, wala naman kaming party guys. Cake lang. Sabi niya lang daw siya, pizza. Dahil ayaw niya daw magluto. Then, ayaw niya kasi sa luto ko. So, yun yung hirap, no? Pero, gusto naman niya magluto ako, pero, basta, ganun na siya guys. So, ito na. Ito, parang tayo dito. Para yung time natin dito is mauubos. Magkano ba ito? Parang $14 ito siya guys. Ano siya dito? Balloon. Meron siyang straw. Ano siya, no? So, Alright guys, mag-time lapse tayo guys. Ayan na yung ating simple nga decoration. And then, kinuha namin si Ethan dahil not feeling well. So, yeah. So, ayan guys. See you later guys. Ito na yung ating cake. Kailangan ni refrigerator or just okay rin nila rin? Medyo siya nila yung table kasi ang gulo. Gonna have pizza for dinner for my husband's birthday. Come here, babe. Let's eat pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza, man! Pizza! I'm running those boys.
Yeah, it's running so bad. Pizza. Hello, you wanna sit down? You hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, diba? Oh, pizza! Pizza!
Focus is not.
Careful with it. Be careful. What's this here? What's this here? Yeah. That's good stuff, ain't it? That's good stuff, ain't it? It is, yeah. Yeah. That's a good boy.
Alright, let's
You're being such a good boy.
Sing a happy birthday.
Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Look at my eye.
Come on. One. Okay.
Happy birthday, Augustine!
He wants more stuff.
He's a drone stamp on
Get
There
down.
you go.
Buddy. Yeah. Ain't that pretty cake? Ain't that pretty cake?
Look at him, he's drooling.
Yeah.
Yeah. They gonna cut piece of chocolate cake in there, Bill. Cut it on. Alright. She's like, what's he doing around there anyway, man? What's he doing that thing?
Let's get this one.
Pastor, can I eat this pizza tomorrow?
Oh my gosh, listen to her.
I ate waffles.
There's always tomorrow, right?
Alright,
waffles
let's
earlier.
eat. For daddy. Looks like it's so light. Ito ang sipo ng bata. I wish you like it. You wanna look at to? You wanna open it earlier? Hala, it's small.
Huh? What's in the box?
Ah, that's Ethan.
Huh?
That's Ethan.
Oh, this is?
Ah,
That's Ethan?
yeah.
That's a
It's a fork and spoon.
big long one.
Fork and spoon.
There's some scale.
Oh, that's Ethan.